Hey everyone, Carlos over at BearBootTraders.com, and here's my recap for today. I had a couple of trades on Dropbox, and I'm not gonna go over the details on these trades. I took these exact same trades the way Andrew did on his recap video. Again, on this one here, the one that we went long on, this was a setup that I have taken plenty of times and has been very profitable. So I'm not upset with this. I mean, it dropped 30, 40 cents on us, so we had to get stopped out. But this setup has worked out more times than it has not. So I'm going to focus on the other two, INTC and NEO. Um, so if we start with NEO, on this trade here, if we look at the 5-minute chart, this was a trade out that seemed very strong to kind of break new highs and continue to move up. So what we did here, once it went above the VWAP, it started doing this pushing up over here. Andrew called it for a long around here, and I was very hesitant at that point. By the time I did decide to get in, the stock had pushed up all the way up here, and I lost a good entry, a good risk to reward, which was here. Either way, once I was in the trade, I considered my stop loss had to be at VWAP at that point. I was looking for my stop loss to be below this candle. Okay, that would have been the stop I wanted to have, the stop loss that I had calculated if my entry was going to be here, right? When I was thinking about this trade, also when Andrew got in, I think it was around here. So again, I just missed a good entry. But once I was in here, I put my stop loss at the VWAP. The stock did go under the VWAP a little bit, but it didn't close under it. It pushed back up pretty quick. So I did like that it had done that. So it was keeping some kind of support level. Then at that point, it squeezed all the way up here. I took some profits out, and then on the next candle, I took some more profits out because the momentum was just not moving fast enough for me to hit this level. So at that point, I just took the rest out. I didn't want this to come back to VWAP or the moving averages, especially because my entry was so bad. Okay, this was a very bad entry, and I just didn't want to get to that point. So made 232 there. Then on INTC, if we go to INTC, and I'm working off my laptop, so it's a little bit. I'm doing the recap off my laptop because I am actually away for the weekend, away from the house. I left this morning after trading my station, so it's a little bit slower for me. That's why the screen might look a little different in the video than normal. So on INTC, I misread this. Let me show you the 1-minute chart. So we had this nice kind of like bull flag setting up on the 1-minute chart, and on the 5-minute chart as well. If you look here, let's say this is not here. This looked to me like it was very bullish. It was kind of holding this level. So I got in here once I thought that the price was gonna pop up. It didn't do that, so I was stopped out right below the moving averages. Again, it's just I misread this chart. Should have waited for more confirmation. This was the move that I was looking to get. It eventually did do that, but I was not going to hold it all the way to a pullback below the moving averages because at that point you don't know if it's going to continue to just keep dropping and go to the low of the day. So that's my recap for today, guys. Hope everyone else had a great Friday, good clean Friday, and see you guys all on Monday.